Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about what I eat in a day. I did this video previously. This is going to be an updated one. So I'm going to start from the top of my day to the bottom. The very first thing that I do when I wake up is take my vitamins. I have been taking these vitamins called Ritual. They are essential vitamins for women. They're going to give you all the nutrients that you need that you won't get in your diet. I know that it's really hard to get all the essential nutrients that you need just by eating, so these vitamins will be perfect for you guys. A great thing about these that I love, you can take them on an empty stomach. It's the very first thing that I take when I wake up, with like a half bottle of water. I'll drink a half bottle of water to make sure that they digest properly. And they also smell like minty. It smells like spearmint, double mint. It smells like double mint gum, so it's gonna keep your breath fresh. So that's not why I take them in the morning. I also brush my teeth, but I like to take my vitamins first thing in the morning to make sure I'm gonna have those nutrients throughout my day, and it helps me from feeling tired and groggy. These vitamins are amazing. It is very important for us to take care of our bodies now so that we're going to be better in the long run, because if you don't do it now and when you get older and you try to do it, it's probably not going to work as well as you're doing it now. So I suggest that you start taking your vitamins and everything now. So all you have to do is take 2 of these vitamins a day. It's going to give you everything you need, anything that you can think of. These vitamins have everything you need in them, from D3 to omega-3. These vitamins are vegan certified, sugar-free, gluten-free, non-GMO, all that great stuff. So you guys should really try these out. It's only $1 a day to get all the nutrients that you need, guys. That is great. Better health does not happen overnight, and Ritual is offering you 10% off of your first 3 months if you use my link, and my code is going to be linked down below. You guys should definitely try it out. I love these, and it is part of my everyday diet now. So now I want to talk about what I eat for breakfast. You guys already know I do not like breakfast food in the morning time. I prefer just to eat fruit, which is what I am still doing. I have tried to eat breakfast sometimes, but not all the time. But you guys know that I love my fruit. So normally I'll eat grapes, but grapes are not in season right now. They are disgusting. Like, I like my grapes to be like hard and crunchy, and they're not right now. They're really soft. So I haven't bought grapes in a while because they're out of season. But I have been eating strawberries. Don't these look good? Strawberries are always in season around Valentine's Day. And pineapples. I love pineapples. These are really good for you. But I can't eat too much of them because it'll make my tongue really like sore. I don't understand, whatever. And also mango. And I bought these little containers from Walmart. Sometimes I'll cut them up myself if I'm not feeling lazy, but lately your girl has been really lazy. And also cantaloupe. Cantaloupe is my go-to fruit right now. I've been eating this more than anything. So normally it's grapes, but lately it's been cantaloupe. I love it. I eat the green kind or the orange kind. It doesn't matter. And of course, you guys know I have my cucumbers. But my cucumbers are more of a snack for me. I don't really have these for breakfast. I'll just have these as a snack throughout the day. I'll add my apple cider vinegar, as you guys know. And that's pretty much the same. I really don't want to switch up on my breakfast because, you know, your stomach is going to be used to what you have been doing for a very long time, and my stomach is used to me not eating full-on breakfast food, so that's what worked for me. I did purchase meal preps this time. In my last video, I just made the meals myself. Like I said, I have been extremely busy, so I don't really have time to cook or anything. And in the meal plan, she did offer breakfast, so I decided to try it out. I have not eaten it yet, but hold on, let me let you guys see. They're egg McMuffins. Like, it's like egg little muffins with meat and bell peppers and spinach. These are really cute, actually. Ooh. She gave me a lot. This is a lot of food. I like that. Oh, and I got my meal preps from Chef Meal Prep. Wait, Chef Meal Prep Can. Wait, that's a tongue twister, girl. Chef Meal Prep Can. Also, my meal preps came from Chef Meal Prep Can. Shout out to you, girl. She is located in Houston, so if you're in Houston, you guys should check her out. She is a great chef. I love her so much. So Now that we're done with breakfast, we're gonna go on to our lunch and dinner because I kind of eat the same thing for lunch and dinner. It'll just be smaller portions or bigger portions. Hold on. Do y'all like my cup? It's so cute, right? And it matches my outfit. My father-in-law bought me this cup for Christmas. Okay. So for lunch, you guys know I'm very big on vegetables. I think that's very important for you to eat vegetables. If you're not eating them, I don't know what to tell you. So for lunch, I'll have something like shrimp and vegetables. This is so good. Like, this is something so simple and it fills me up and it's not too harsh on the stomach. And you guys know I'm a very simple person. I don't like all that extra. Like, why make things hard when they don't have to be? You know? That's why I love my Ritual vitamins, because it's so simple. You just take 2 vitamins a day. It's like easy. So my next meal I would have, and also like I said, I would have this for lunch or dinner. This is just like baked chicken, green beans, and some mixed vegetables over here. I love green beans. Green beans are my most favorite ever, and broccoli, but pretty much anything green I like except peas. I don't eat peas or I don't eat beans. People think that's so weird, but I don't eat beans. Like, I just don't know why. I don't know. I think I used to eat them when I was little. So this is also something that's really good, and it's made out of wheat. Like, it looks like spaghetti, right? I love spaghetti, but this is like a healthy version with turkey meat and wheat. Is it wheat strings? I don't know what it's called, but it's made out of wheat. But it is great. And it tastes exactly the same, but it's just more healthy. And of course, you guys know I love stir fry. So with this stir fry, I got this one from Genghis Grill. I actually went there today and I got the large bowl, so don't judge me. I'm gonna eat off this like a couple times, maybe 3 times. This will fill me up 3 times. So I got the broccoli, chicken, bell pepper, spinach, eggs, and shrimp inside of this stir fry. Stir fry is like my favorite. If you guys haven't tried Genghis Grill out, you should try it out. Me and my best friend used to go all the time when we were in school. I miss those days. Of course, I cannot forget my salad from Chick-fil-A. You guys know I'm crazy obsessed with Chick-fil-A. This is the Cobb salad, except I got grilled chicken. The reason I chose the Cobb salad over the spicy Southwest, because that one comes with grilled chicken, is because it has beans on it. You know I don't like beans, so I like this one because I do love corn. Corn is one of my favorite vegetables also. And if you go to Chick-fil-A, the Cobb salad no longer has eggs on it because they had a callback on them. So I come home and I boil my own eggs and put them on here because I cannot have my salad without eggs on it. So that's pretty much it for the food portion. Now I want to talk to you guys about my favorite snacks. You already know I love cookies, but I haven't had cookies since I made that last video. Like, it's been a very long time since I had cookies. I don't really crave them as often. Like, I only have them if I'm craving them really bad, but I haven't been craving them. I have a new little snack that I love so much. It is a fruit snack. Okay, don't judge me because this is a family size, but you know, I don't like to go to the store often. So when I go, I always pick up the biggest boxes so I don't have to run back to the store. But this brand, Mott's, it has like 100% real juice and veggie juice in their fruit snacks. And these are really, really, really good. Yeah, they're really good. And I'll eat those for a snack. That's the only thing really that I have been kind of craving for. So that's really the only thing I've been eating. And as far as drinking, I have only been drinking water. Like, normally I'll have cranberry juice, but I haven't been craving it. I don't know, like, my appetite has been really bland, which is great because I don't need to be having juice or eating cookies all the time. But I will still drink cranberry juice. I just haven't had it in a while. It's still my favorite, but I just haven't had it. And I'm so thirsty. I don't understand. My mouth is really dry. Oh, before I forget, okay. So I always have to tell you guys about my guilty pleasures. So this is a spinach dip. Of course, it's been refrigerated, so it's kind of hard. This is a spinach dip with cheese and spinach. Chef Meal Prep Ken made this for me, and it is my guilty pleasure. Cheese is not that great for you guys. Yes, cheese make you fat, but that's a way that I reward myself because I love cheese. Cheese is my weakness. It is not great for you, but let's be realistic. Like, you're not gonna have the cleanest diet. Some people do, but I don't, and that's why I work out to counteract anything that I eat. Like, and lately I have been eating so bad. I'm so embarrassed to even say this, but I bought this really small container that's extremely small, and I keep it in my lunch kit. I fill it with apple cider vinegar because I need, like, I've been eating so bad. I need something to make sure that my stomach is not getting big. Like, I'm not in the best shape right now. Like, to you guys, I may look like I'm snatched, but you know yourself the best, and you're the hardest on yourself. So I'm kind of hard on myself right now because I'm not in the best shape that I can be in, but I will get there. It is a new year. It's only January, so I still have a lot of time to get it together. Also, I have been doing juice cleanses. If you guys want to see a video on that, just let me know below in the comments. So let's move on to protein and any other supplements that I have been taking. So you guys know that I am big on collagen, and I did start taking a new one, and I told you guys that I will let you guys know. It's by Ancient Nutrition. It's this right here. It's the multi-collagen protein. So let me tell you, I had a bad experience with this when I first took it because I think I was overdosing on it. Like, I already have collagen in my body, so with me putting more into my body, and I think this was just way too much, it broke my skin out so bad. I was freaking out. Like, I had pimples everywhere. They were huge. They were extremely huge. I was so embarrassed. Like, I didn't want to go anywhere. Luckily, they went away really fast, but that freaked me out. So what I started doing was just taking this once a week and not every day like I would do the other collagen. The other collagen was less strong, I guess. This is the other one that I take. I still love it. I love them both. This one I can take more often, like once a day. This I take it once a week because it's just way too strong for me, and it made me break out. So be careful with that. And if you guys are taking any of these, let me know how you guys like it. So of course, I still take my BCAAs. This is the Amino Energy. This is the BCAA Amino. I drink this while I'm working out. I drink this like during the day when I go to work so I can have energy or whatever. But I make sure that I take them because it does help with recovery after working out. And I have been taking some new proteins. So hold on. Baby. Okay, so this one is the Fit Whey protein. I've always been taking this one. This is a new bottle. I just had to re-up, so you guys know about this one. I love this one. And this one is the ISO Whey. This is my first time taking this. I don't know how it's gonna be. I will let you guys know. And this one, of course, is the Complex Weight Gainer. As you see, like, this one is halfway empty because this is the one I have been taking the most because I feel like I have been losing weight. I don't understand why, because I'm eating like crazy, and I don't know. So everyone, that is pretty much it for what I eat in a day. You guys know I'm a very simple person. You can tell by my workouts. I like everything clean, simple, straight to the point. I don't like to do extra stuff. Like, if it's not simple, I don't want it. I feel like you do not have to complicate things. Like, when people complicate things, people give up. So just set your goals very small. Do things that are easy for you so that you can keep on with them. Because if it's hard or complicated, 9 times out of 10, you're going to give up and you're going to stop. So I hope you guys are having a great New Year so far. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below letting me know what city you are from. And don't forget to try out those ritual vitamins. They are amazing. You will not regret it. So drink a lot of water, mind your business, and have a great life. I will see you guys in my next video.